In our previous video, we discussed why do fruit drop from the trees. In this video, we are trying to know how we can reduce fruit drop. So if you are interested, let's go through together. But if you haven't subscribed, kindly do so. This is Full Security Channel. First thing to do to minimize fruit drop is to prune the tree. That is, you remove overgrown branches and and dead branches, disease affected parts to ensure that there is proper sunlight interception as well as a effective utilization of resources available. And some of the resources are the water, the nutrient, and then the sunlight that will be utilized for photosynthesis. If your fruit farm or your your farm floods, just create a drainage system that will drain all excess water from the soil. And if there is scarcity of water, you have to apply water. You do these two practices in order to avoid flooding and drought. Apply fertilizer to your crop as the tree flowers, fruit grows, and then as fruit matures, so that the plant will have the adequate nutrients and so synthesize the needed hormone to ensure that fruit drop is less. But zinc sulfate and potassium sulfate are known to reduce fruit drop, so you can be applying it before ripening starts to reduce fruit drop. Apply appropriate chemical that is good for your area. For instance, if you know there are some insect fruit flies disturbing you, if there is a fungal disease or a bacterial disease, apply preventive chemical before the disease show up so that you will be able to minimize the impact of the disease or the insect. Some of the diseases like citrus greening are hard to control anyway, either with bactericides or insecticides. So in our previous video, it was shown that hormonal imbalance is a mid process that leads to fruit drop. It's not the main startup or the main trigger. So all the suggestions above are meant to minimize the initial triggers. So in case it starts, you can minimize the hormonal imbalance by applying senescence retarding hormones such as auxins or gibberellic acid to reduce or to minimize fruit drop rate. With this, it means that you will minimize the rate at which some genes and fruit drop associated enzymes will be upregulated, and so you eventually reduce fruit drop rate. Thank you for watching. Kindly apply all the suggestions that are applicable to your tree or your crop and ensure that you subscribe. Thank you very much for watching. Looking forward to your questions for appropriate response. Thank you.